folks, Bruce here from For Low Life. I know it's been a while since I put anything up on YouTube. I just wanted to let you know that I've been working on this 40 series back here. Finding a little bit more work than I was expecting in it. I've been poking around and looks like there's a little bit less metal in a couple of the areas. I did decide that instead of trying to completely fabricate my own rear sill that I would buy one, and I ended up buying one from Cruisers of Texas, and I have to say that this is some nice metal here. All the little channels preformed in it, all the little factory shape and body mounts all built in. I think that's going to be a huge time saver. So I will do another video once I get this in place. I haven't removed the old one yet, but I was originally thinking that I would just build my own rear sill. I did build the rear sill in the other one, which is over there. That's the 77. This is an 82, and the rear sill is a slightly different design and has a couple more curves in it than I was really wanting to play with. So I'll show you a couple of the other areas on this 40 that I'm having to work on, and well, like I said, I will do another video in a little bit with some actual metal working in it. So here's horror spot number one, and get you in a little closer here. See, you can see that this has come in all from in behind where the flange of the other panel meets it. Got a bit of a nasty spot up here, so I'm going to cut these spots out, replace them with some fresh steel. That I'm just going to cut my own steel, and a couple other spots around the back that I'll show you as well. So this is the area that I'm working on right now, the corners of the doors. I'm going to cut this section out. I've already cut out the other side and replaced it here. So I've done this patch panel here, and again the rear sill you saw up front there. I'm going to replace the whole sill. Just turned out easier by the time I get in the back here, where there's basically nothing left in the back of the rear sill. You can see didn't look that bad until I started poking around with an air chisel. The other thing I'd started doing is I've used a needle scaler up front, and I'm taking the undercoating off. I'll show you a little bit about how that works and why I'm using needle scaler. I have managed to find a couple more areas that need work, unfortunately, but better to do it the right way and rip it all off now and fix it proper. Alright, so this is a needle scaler. It has all these individual pieces here. It's basically an air hammer that has a bunch of needles that bounce in and out. And it's really good at taking off the undercoating and any paint that's not that well adhered. You can see that I've stripped this down to here, and I'm just going to go for 30 seconds or so and show you what it's capable of doing. These are loud and they vibrate. Wear gloves and wear earplugs and have a good compressor. Well, I got a little bit ahead of myself and I kind of forgot about doing video, but I did finish scraping off the undercoating there. I think you can see it's done a decent job. What you might also be able to see is that a couple hours ago I finished doing that, and I've gone around and I've started cutting out the sides, and I've already made the repair up top. And I thought this might be something that people want to see. So if this is the kind of thing that you want to see, let me know, and I'll start recording videos on doing the repairs on the body. Let me know what you think. It's not electrical stuff, it's welding, that's electrical. Let me know what you think. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, put a comment below, subscribe, and stay tuned for more if that's what you want. Thanks.